And there are different methods that come built in with ArrayLists, like the add method to add elements, the size method to return the number of elements, the get method to obtain an element at a specific index, the remove method to delete a specific element, and the contains method to check if an item is in an array list. So to look at array lists, we're going to create a new class. And we're going to call it ArrayList collection. And since we're going to be running this program, we're going to tick public static void main, and we're going to press on finish. In order to use an array list, we're going to have to import it. So we're going to have import java.util.ArrayList. And to create an array list, it's going to be similar to creating an object. We're going to have ArrayList. And in angled brackets, we're going to have the data type. So in our case, let's say we want the data type to be string. And we're going to call this list item. And we're going to set it equal to new array list. And we're going to have an empty set of angled brackets followed by parentheses. So this is going to create an array list of type string. So to add elements to the list, we're going to have the name of the list followed by the add method, and we can give it a string. So it's going to add the string red to our list. Another way we can use the add method is by providing an index. So we can have add 0, yellow. So what this is going to do is it's going to add the string yellow at index 0. And for example's sake, we're going to add more items. Now to see the different elements, we're going to use a for loop. So we're going to have for int I is equal to 0, I is less than item dot size. So here we're going to use the size method for array lists instead of length, and we're going to increment I. And inside our for loop, we're going to have a print statement. And we're going to print out each string. So we're going to have %s followed by a space. Now to get an element at an index from a list, we're going to use the get method, and we're going to pass in I as the index. So now if we save our file and run our code, we get the different elements in our array list. Another method we can look at is the remove method. So in our case, we have 2 yellows in our list, but if we had item.remove and in parentheses, if we gave it yellow, and now if we saved our file and ran our code, as you can see, the first yellow gets removed. So that is how the remove method works.